The upcoming episode is packed with love, sacrifice, pain, and a powerful message that will leave everyone emotional. The episode begins with a tense atmosphere in the village. All the villagers have gathered to witness an age old ritual. According to this cruel custom, Isha is forced to walk barefoot over burning embers to prove herself before the entire village. Fear is clearly visible on Isha's face. The flames are blazing, and the heat is unbearable. Yet the villagers continue to pressure her, leaving her with no option but to face this painful ordeal. With trembling steps, Isha moves toward the burning embers. The entire village watches in silence. Every eye is fixed on her as she prepares to take the first step. Suddenly, she loses her balance. The crowd gasps in shock. Just when it seems like she is about to fall, Suraj rushes forward and catches her in his arms. For a moment, time seems to stand still. Suraj then turns toward the villagers, his eyes filled with anger and determination. In front of everyone, he raises his voice and says that he does not support such a cruel tradition. He refuses to believe that anyone should be forced to prove their worth through pain and suffering. His words leave the villagers stunned. But Suraj is not finished. Looking lovingly at Isha, he declares that if she is expected to walk across the burning embers, then she will not face the pain alone. As her husband, her companion, and the person who loves her the most, he will walk beside her every step of the way. The entire village falls silent. Without a second thought, Suraj holds Isha's hand firmly. Their eyes meet. In that moment, they draw strength from each other. Together, they step onto the burning embers. The pain is unbearable. Every step burns their feet, but neither of them lets go. Isha struggles to continue, yet Suraj remains by her side. Despite the agony he is experiencing himself, his only concern is protecting and supporting her. Hand in hand, they continue moving forward. The villagers watch in complete disbelief. No one expected Suraj to share Isha's suffering. No one imagined he would risk himself just to stand beside her. Finally, after enduring the painful journey, they reach the other side. A wave of emotion spreads through the crowd. The villagers are deeply moved by what they have witnessed. For the first time, many of them truly understand the meaning of love, partnership, and commitment. They realize that Suraj did not simply speak about supporting his wife, he proved it through his actions. Soon, however, the consequences of the ritual begin to appear. The burns on Isha's feet become severe. Painful blisters make it difficult for her to even stand properly. Seeing her condition, Suraj becomes extremely worried. Without wasting a moment, he begins taking care of her. He gently applies medicine to her wounds and does everything possible to ease her pain. His concern and affection touch Isha deeply. As she watches Suraj caring for her so lovingly, her eyes fill with tears. But then she notices something unexpected. Suraj's feet are badly injured too. Painful blisters cover them, yet he never once complained. He never mentioned his own suffering. He only focused on helping her. Isha becomes overwhelmed with emotion. Tears begin rolling down her cheeks as she realizes the extent of Suraj's sacrifice. Unable to hold back her feelings, she gently takes his feet in her hands and starts applying medicine to his wounds. The moment becomes incredibly emotional. Suraj looks at her with love. Isha looks at him with gratitude. Neither of them is worried about their own pain. Each is only concerned about the other. As they care for one another, their bond grows even stronger. Their silent gestures speak louder than words. Watching this beautiful scene, the family members and villagers become emotional as well. They finally understand that Suraj and Isha are made for each other. No matter how difficult life becomes, they will always stand together. Whether happiness comes their way or challenges test their strength, neither of them will ever leave the other's side. The villagers begin questioning the very tradition they once supported. Many realize that true relationships are not built on painful rituals but on trust, respect, understanding, and unconditional love. Suraj and Isha's courage becomes an inspiration for everyone present. Their story proves that genuine love means sharing both happiness and suffering together. This emotional twist not only strengthens their relationship but also changes the hearts of the people around them. Now, the biggest question remains: will this powerful incident finally put an end to the cruel tradition? Will the villagers learn from Suraj and Isha's example? And what new challenges await this beloved couple in the coming days? The answers will unfold in the upcoming episodes. But one thing is certain: Suraj and Isha have shown everyone that true love is not proven through words. It is proven through sacrifice, loyalty, and standing beside each other when life becomes most difficult. What are your thoughts on this emotional twist? Do let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting serial updates.